We're gonna do a little picanha. We're gonna do it like steak. Cooked on the Santa Maria grill. Let's do something really simple but really fun and a great cut of meat. Like this called Sirloin Cap. I got a nice Wagyu one. We're gonna come in here, open her up. We'll do our knife work when we're opening it on the fat side so we don't cut into the grainy meat. Okay, look at this. Big old fat cap, right? Now normally we'd trim it off. We're not trimming it off with the fat cap, with the picanha. It's perfect. You can take a little if you wanted, but only a little. And I just did that to make it more even on the grill, and it was very little I put in there. The interesting thing with picanha, you can cook this whole thing entire. Don't cut it. Don't make it into steaks. Cut like that, it's fine. It's like a roast. But we're gonna do it like steaks. So if you see, the grain is going this way. So we're gonna turn it over. We might just kind of get rid of this silver on this side. And that's gonna keep the smoke and the good seasoning out. So we're just gonna see how minimal this trim is. Get that silver skin. Okay, so once again, we know the grain's going this way. So let's work out of this. Let's work out of this side. So left-handed, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna cut it into picanha steaks. This is how they do it. We're gonna go about 2 knives. We're gonna try and cut once, so we got a perfect edge. There you have it, perfect edge. So that'll sit here. See if we can get 3 of them out of here. Kind of a double knife. Now, I know a guy who's happy. His name's Big Poppa. And here's the last one, which is just gonna be small. So there we have it. 3 nice picanha steaks. We're gonna cook these on the Santa Maria, so it's kind of a fake Brazilian cut, cooked on the Santa Maria grill, but really Argentinian style. Some people put them on skewers, some people roast them whole. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use double secret on this, because I haven't been using it enough. It's one of my first rubs, it's one of my favorite rubs. There's a $1 billion restaurant chain that all their meat has double secret on. It's beautiful. It's got big sea salt, it's got salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, but it's got actually some lemon in it too. Some citrus, which kind of brings back the Italian Florentine. So we're gonna get all sides. We'll let it rest. Just real simple, but it's gonna be beautiful flavor. Now when it comes off the cooker, you're gonna serve them up. And like I said, a lot of people panic and remove the fat cap. Don't remove the fat cap. It's gonna add flavor, tenderness, and it'll cook down quite a bit. But when we serve these steaks, people are gonna cut them against the grain. So we trimmed it with the grain, so when we serve it, it gets served against the grain. So let's go out to the cooker and fire these things up. I've got my trusty rusty Santa Maria. Got a nice bed of coals. Next time you see me, I'll be here with a stainless steel one. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer. We'll be back at 6 minutes to turn it. Check the temperature. Still fine. So let's flip this over. 6 minutes, we'll be back and we'll turn the top. We'll hit all sides, and then right to the end, we're gonna lower in the fire and give it a good sear. Okay, it's been 12 minutes, 124. That one's getting close. So this fire is obviously hotter. So we'll go like this. Another 6 minutes, it'll look good, and we might hit one side on the fat just to get the fat going. Okay, it's been 18 minutes. Turn on the side, turn on the side. Let's get an idea of our internal temperature, 113. Let's let the fat have a little fun for a few minutes. Here's what we're gonna do. Drop it down into the real heat. See, it started up here really high, now it's down here. And one of the things with the fat cap we left on is that fat's coming down, it's hitting the coals, it's coming back, and you see the smoke? It's giving some of that beef flavor into the smoke, back into the meat. Okay, let's flip them over. I'm gonna give them 3 minutes. Okay, we're done. Okay, Big Poppa's summer goat cheese, watermelon, and tomato salad. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, let's put this aside and let's slice our picanha. Grain's going this way, so we come in here like this. I would say this is perfect. What do you say? Seriously, one of the best steaks you'll ever eat. Big Poppa's Double Secret Wagyu Picanha. Thank you, kids. That's it.